a blue Pure 411 air filter by Blueair. This is a room-sized air purifier rated for rooms up to 161 square feet, so it's perfect for your bedroom, your kitchen, even your family or living room. Its powerful 360-degree system of air intake completely turns over the air 5 times every hour. This model has the particle and carbon filter installed, so it's effective in taking out of the air dust, pollen, mold, pet dander, bacteria, dust mites, and other particulates. With that carbon filter installed, it's also effective against volatile organic compounds, chemicals, smoke, and cooking odors. The purifier is light and it's easy to move into any room. The fabric pre-filter is machine washable and it comes in multiple colors so you can fit it to your decor. The fan unit sits on top of the particle and carbon filter, and the filter is a snap to replace when the indicator that's on the top of the unit says that it's time. After being triple filtered, the clean air is drawn up through the unit and exchanged back into the room for you to breathe. Apart from whether or not it cleans the air, and this unit does a magnificent job, most people want to know how loud it is. At its lowest setting, you don't even know the machine is on. It is the definition of whisper quiet. The middle setting makes itself known, but it's definitely bearable. The third setting, on the other hand, is for clearing the air only. Definitely not sleeping or watching TV or having a conversation. It's hard to go wrong with the blue 411 filter. Quiet, powerful air purification that my wife and I both love. We run it in our bedroom every night and sleep so much better with clear sinuses. With a dog and living in a rural farming area, there's plenty of stuff in the air, but the blue makes quick work of all of it.